payback time.
My name is Bruce Railey, and I'm with Briscoe & Associates Insurance, and I've been with Valley since about 1980, so I had some good time before she got here, and I've had a lot of other time after. I kind of took Julie into confidence and told her some things one time in my life I shouldn't have.
You want me to tell them what it was?
No. But because of this violation of my trust, I suffered through a roast, and God knows why I saved this stuff, but I did. Now I want to share it with you. We have your basic sheep paperweight. We have your sheep doll, stuffed animal, with a Lynn County Lamb and Wolf Festival button.
Hey, what's that stuff on it?
What's she gonna be? All right. Ear tags. What do you think? Huh? When's the last time you've seen a sheep bookmark? What is she gonna be? All right.
Bag bomb.
Bag bomb.
Does it smell like strawberry?
For you that don't know, this is for chap teats. What's she gonna be?
There isn't any.
There is a lot. She was too cheap to buy the shirt, so she took a photo of it. It says, "What's the mallard with you?" E-W-E, another sheep thing.
She did give you a shirt, though.
How about sheep stationery? A sheep postcard. A woody sheep. Sheep wrapping paper. What's she gotta be? You got it. You got it. Huh. Don't know what to tell you.
Earmuffs, huh?
Earmuffs. How about a sheep for the window of your car?
Story on that one, Bruce. That was one of my favorites.
It used to work.
Never how you got that one.
I haven't quite figured this little guy out, but looks like a sheep to me. At the Fat Lamb show, or whatever it's called out in Seattle, they have a dog where they herd the sheep. Does anybody know what they call that? Sheepdog in fishing roll. You got it. Hey, a card, a sheep card. It says, the Sheepherder's Creed. I pledge allegiance to the flocks of the United States of America and to the republics with abundance of ewes and rams, all sheep under men, indivisible, with bondage and nookie for all. What's she gonna be? Got it. I don't even know about this one. I've been afraid to ask.
Put it in the water.
Yeah, put it in water. Foot rot. And then, to embarrass me the most of all, she put me in a black t-shirt with, you'll notice, fluffy little white cotton balls at an appropriate area, saying, "Hey you, E-W-E." Don't ever trust her. Then, on top of that, she coerced one of her co-workers into writing a poem. I know this person is sorry she did it. She's embarrassed she did it.
I am proud of that poem. Read it if you want.
Here it is. Would you please read this?
Yeah.
Thought we were roasting her, not you.
Well, I'm instead of trying to get even with her.
Oh, I see.
She's
Okay.
got all this stuff.
This is ode to you. Thank you all for being here to have